Good morning guys, today I am back with another video. Today my topic is how to wash your car with a waterless car wash. Why waterless car wash? As winter is setting and it's quite messy to use cold water and wash your car. Not only that, it's not advisable to wash your car with water every now and then. Once in 15 or once in 30 days is most preferable until and unless your car is very dirty. And between the washes we need to clean the car. For this waterless car wash is very useful. Moreover, in some societies and housing complexes where use of running water for washing your car is quite restricted, so in that case also waterless car wash is very helpful. Now before I start this wash, I also like to remind you, if your car is very dirty and full of soily and mud, in that case this type of waterless car wash will not do the job. Remember that there are some videos where you will find that people has used this particular waterless wash in a very dusty condition, but I don't advise you to do that because it may lead to scratches and swirl marks. So it is useful in this type of light dusty conditions. You see, in this type of conditions this is very useful. Let me show you other areas. These are the areas you see it's very dusty. So in this type of situation you can use this particular waterless car wash, but I always prefer, if it is more than dusty and muddy substance is there in your car, you should use a pressure washer or a running water to wash, or a garden hose, whatever you have in your resources to clean your car. I haven't washed this car for the last 7 days. So before I start this job, I will loosen the dust with the help of a Jopasu car duster. Don't use those cheap dusters that will lead to scratches. So I will use this with the help of Jopasu car duster. I will give you the link if you are interested. This duster is very useful and it doesn't lead to any scratches, and you can find that the loose dust has almost gone. So in this way I will dust the entire car, and then I will show you one panel how to use this particular waterless car wash, and then I will complete the entire car and show you what are the results we get. As you can see, we are removing the dust as much as possible. Prepare this waterless wash solution. For this I have procured this Wavex hybrid car wax. It says it is a 4-in-1 product. It works as a spray wax, it works as a waterless wash, and it's also a quick detailer and a rinse aid. That doesn't mean you have to use 4 application, because all the application will take place at a time, including your car wash. So that is one good advantage of this product. And if you don't want to wax it, this has got fortified with waxes, so it will help you to wax it also. So this is the product. They have also provided us with a spray gun, but I will use my own spray gun because this spray gun are not that good. This is the spray gun that they have provided with this. I will use this for any other purpose. This is the measuring cup. Now it claims also you get a good quality microfiber cloth with this particular set, but I will tell you, when you are going for a waterless wash, you should use plenty of microfiber cloth. Don't reuse the same cloth again and again, as this will lead to more scratches. So I will use my own microfiber cloth set. This will be for the wheels and lower portion of the car body, and this fresh good ones for the upper part of the car body. Now let's prepare the solution. Before use, you shake the bottle thoroughly. Now let me see how much it claims it should be used. It says that pour 25 ml to half a liter of water. So I will use a little more than that. So let me use for 30 ml. For this I will be using this particular spray gun. This you will get in Amazon for around 300 to 500 rupees. This is a very thick consistency, not like the other waterless washes. It is more like a shampoo. So I will measure this 500 ml of water. একটু এখানে দিয়ে দাও। Now let's prepare the solution by shaking it thoroughly. Now let us create a pressure in this particular pump. Okay, so the pressure has built up. Now I will start from the roof. Now I have sprayed the entire roof with this particular solution, and now the process of cleaning it will be like this. বেশি জোরে না, the pressure will be very gentle. Fold the microfiber towel like this. Now use a separate dry towel. Now use a separate dry towel to buff it off. So this area has been completed. As you can see the difference. ওদিকে চলে যাও. Let me show the example with the bonnet area. It will be to and fro motion. You see, this area has become dirty, so I will flip it over. Do not scrub, remember that. You will be as gentle as possible. Now I will buff it off with a dry microfiber cloth. Very gently. Regarding using this product, my advice is always use it under a shade, because since it is a quick detailer, it has got wax properties, so that will dry out in the sun very fast. So you see how shiny it's looking now. So let us complete the entire car and I will show you what is the result. This is the result that I am getting in the bonnet area. Always remember to use different set of microfiber cloths, and when you will find it has become dirty and it feels wet, you better change for a new cloth. Feel free to use different microfiber cloths as you may feel. Otherwise, if you use one cloth again and again, it may lead to scratches. See how shiny the car has become. In fact, it seems that I have waxed and polished the entire car. It doesn't seem that I have used a waterless car wash for cleaning my car. Now I will take care of the wheels I will show you how to do that. For tires I will use it a shampoo. I won't use that particular waterless wash liquid. Here I will be using normal car shampoo and wet all the tires and rub it off with the help of a microfiber cloth. And after applying it, I will apply tire polish. Why tire polish? It will keep the outer wall of your tire in good condition. It won't lead to cracks. Finally, the entire job is complete and you can see the level of cleanliness and the shine it has restored, and the product works what it claims, and it's very easy to use, especially during the winter months where you don't want to use cold water to wash your car. So this product helps you in that particular matter also. And you can see the level of gloss and shine it has restored back. In fact, I haven't waxed it, so what it promises that it works as a 3-in detailer also, so it is also working as a detailer very well. So if you like the procedure and if you want this waterless wash, this is a very good option for you. And if you have liked this video, please feel free to contact me in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe.